Hey, what's up guys? I thought I'd just show you a really quick, simple video. What we're doing is we're installing the light bar, the Heretic Studios 40-inch light bar on the Prinsu roof rack. And let me show you here what that looks like. And let me tell you, it's really nice to have like a screen here with the new Canon. But anyway, here's the Prinsu roof rack. I've already taken off this. So if you don't know how to do that, it's super easy. If you've already installed the Prinsu rack, you know how to do this. You just take the bolts off on the side, and you're good to go. You just take it off. So I've already got the 40-inch cutout right here. So you can already see that there's already a cutout for the light bar. Let me get you scooted in here. But you can see there, I've got the 40-inch light bar cut out, and here's the 40-inch light bar from Heretic Studios. Again, very nice light bar. Looks very super clean. And what we're doing, essentially, like I said, this is super easy. So it's not gonna be a long video, but I couldn't find a really useful, I don't know, YouTube video that just had a very easy breakdown of it. So I thought I'd just make this. But essentially you take the front end off, right? The wind deflector, and then there's a lot of ways you could do it, but the way I'm doing it is this way. You take the provided nuts, so they look like this. Just your standard Prinsu hardware that I got with this and I've been saving, and you basically just slide it in, whoop, make sure it's angled correctly, in like so. So you can do two. Honestly, the Heretic came with some extra hardware, so I mean I might have an extra bolt. So what I'll probably likely do is just do two here, and then I'll take these little nuts and screw them on top once I get everything measured out. Okay, so that's how it looks right now. I ended up not using Heretic's provided brackets. Maybe you guys can see that if we'll focus on it. But these are too small. You need to use the provided Prinsu brackets, and it will fit pretty perfectly. So when you go to mount it, on the truck, this is going to be slanted, not at this heavy of an angle, but at an angle. It'll likely be looking like that. So we're going to tighten everything up. We're going to just tighten everything up and then put it on the truck, see how it looks. And then we're not going to do wiring today, but at least this shows you how to mount the light bar on the roof rack. We'll show wiring in a little bit. Give it a couple weeks. All right, so guys, whoa, let's try not to zoom you in. I totally messed up. And when I showed you guys how to install this, I totally showed you, I'm gonna pick up this rag real quick. I totally showed you the wrong way to do it. Or at least the wrong direction. So let me show you here. It actually goes, the L brackets, and I'll zoom in so you can see, actually these L brackets, they go the reverse way I had them. So before, I essentially have these brackets facing the other way. I had them backwards, completely backwards, which really screwed me up, because when I was mounting this thing, the light was like all the way back here, touching this bar almost, and I was like, what the hell, what's wrong? Well, it's because I had this bracket the completely opposite way of where it should be. So we flipped them around. Again, you can see the two bolts and nuts there, bolt and nut here, Heretic light, and it's good to go. So, just wanted to clarify that with you guys real quick. So when it comes to the light bar on top, and yeah, I got the open case or whatever, make sure you do that. Make sure you put the brackets so that way they're facing upwards when you're mounting this, because remember, this is flat, so it's hard to, it's not hard, but I mean, it's hard to remember that this is gonna sit at like a 90-degree angle, this panel, and I forgot that. And so when mounting it, I was like, okay, the light should be flush with the panel, but it's absolutely incorrect. The panel's gonna be at 90 degrees, the light's gonna be pretty much 90 degrees away from it. It's more like 90 degrees is a generality number, it's not the real number, but Anyway, just remember when you're doing it on a flat surface that the panel itself is gonna have to be at a 90-degree angle-ish, whatever. You guys, you math guys, figure out the angle for me. And the light itself, the light bar, is gonna be bent inward. So yeah, fixed it and it works. We're gonna hook up the electrical here later in another video. I'll show you guys how to do that. I have the SP9100 unit to install it on. I'm very stupid, so I try to make these videos to be idiot proof because I'm an idiot and that's really what I need help with. I really do need help when it comes to that. So maybe it helps you guys who are also idiots like me. And we can all just be idiots together learning how to put overland trucks piece by piece together. So anyway guys, keep driving dirty, keep daily driving dirty, whatever I want to say at the end of the video. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it. Anyway guys, please like, comment, subscribe, really helps a lot. Helps me make these videos, helps me build the truck itself. And yeah, it's just a really good motivational piece to keep going. So anyway guys, take care, peace out.